Welcome. This video is to help you understand the metric system. We're in Chapter 8 in our textbook, and you need to know, before you get started with converting within the metric system, some things about it. The metric system uses some prefixes. A prefix is the beginning of a word for each type of measurement, and each one of their prefixes has a meaning. Each one of the meanings mean to multiply by a number. The meaning of kilo is 1,000 times. So if I have a kilometer, that's 1,000 times a meter. Hecto means 100 times. Deca means 10 times. Then we go to parts of. So this is multiplying by, and this is kind of parts of. We're still multiplying by. A decimeter is 1/110th of something, or 0.1. Centi is 1/100th of something, or 0.01. Milli is 1/1000th of something, or 0.001. The abbreviation for kilo is K, for hecto is just H, deca is DA, deci is just D, so those two both could get confused. That's why they have the DA for deca. Centi is C and milli is M. So if I want to make 1,000 meters, I call it a kilometer, or a km. There's a chart here that we're going to take a look at. This is from page 465 in your textbook. The basic unit of linear measurement, you want to measure how long something is, it's a meter. A meter is sort of like a yard. The abbreviation for a meter is just M. Remember, MI is a mile. Plain old M is a meter. So you want to watch out for those two abbreviations and make sure if you're abbreviating a mile, you put the MI. So we have our basic unit, 1 meter. If I take 10 of those, it's called a decameter, and it's abbreviated DAM. 100 of those is a hectometer, and 1,000 of those is a kilometer. Sometimes people say kilometer. If I take 1/10th of a meter, it's a centimeter, or a cm. That's not true, is it? If I take 1/10th, it's a decimeter, a dm. 1/100th is a centimeter, or a cm. And 1/1000th of a meter is a millimeter. A millimeter is a tiny little amount. The nifty thing about the metric system is that when you're dealing with a different kind of measurement, for example, weight, they call it mass also. It's on page 476 in your book. The basic unit of mass is called a gram. A gram is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of water. So think a little cube, and it's about half an inch of water. The weight of that is called a gram. The abbreviation for gram is G. Well, if I have 1 gram, it's just a G. 10 of them is a decagram. Notice we had decameter, now we've got decagram. Instead of an M, our basic unit is a G. All we have to do is add the prefix to mean 100 of those. Kg is 1,000 of those, a kilogram. 1/10th of a gram is a decigram. 100th is a centigram, and 1/1000th is a milligram. Now you probably know all about milligrams because our medical system is in the metric system. So if you buy medicine, you buy some aspirin or Tylenol or something, it tells you how many milligrams there are in a tablet. It doesn't tell you how many ounces there are. The basic unit for capacity or volume is a liter. A liter is a little more than a quart. And the abbreviation for liter is sometimes an italic L or a capital L. Both of those mean liter. So 1 liter, 10 liters is a decaliter, 1/100th is a hectoliter, and 1,000th is a kiloliter. Notice again, instead of M for meter or G for gram, we've got L for liter, but our prefixes are all the same. We have a deciliter, a DL, or a centiliter, a CL, or a milliliter, an ML. 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter equals 1 cc. Those are all the same thing. And they also call it a cubic centimeter. So if you see those, they're interchangeable. You'll see that maybe in some of the problems that you're doing.